Okay, in this lesson here, we're going to do a bunch of algebra, pre-algebra stuff. I'm going to look at this first example, which is basically a two-step equation. All right, so the whole point is to get the x alone, and we're going to basically unravel this equation working the PEMDAS backwards. Okay, so usually it's left to right. We're going to go right to left, and usually in pairs. So we look for things in pairs. So add or subtract. Whatever we have, we'll do the opposite of, and multiply, divide, exponents, and parentheses. All right, so solving for the x here. Okay, so the first thing is we want to get this x alone, and we see that we're subtracting 5 from this 2x. So to undo subtraction, we're going to add 5 both sides, just like that. Okay, we got to do both sides, keep the equation balanced. So think of like a seesaw. If you put 5 pounds on one side only, it's going to be unbalanced. So we got to put 5 pounds on both sides. Same thing with taking away stuff. We take away some weight on one side, got to take away some weight on the other. All right, so these are going to zero out. Negative 5 plus 5 are opposites. And then what ends up happening is the 2x will come down. Your equation, your equal sign will come down. And then we're going to subtract 71 from 5. Okay, and then that gives us 66, sorry. All right, then we need to recognize happening between the variables. So here we have a 2x. So what's really happening, there is really multiplication here. All right, so since it's 2 times x, what we're going to do is divide out the 2. So we're doing the opposite. Again, we took away anything being added, subtracted, and then now that was left, we're having a 2 being multiplied to the x. So to undo multiplication, we do division, which is we divide out the 2. Okay, so these divide out. We have x left over, and then this will be 33. And now our x is solved. Give a little box, and finished.